blue. Listen, you can't. Yeah, the Filipinos are missing ding, and you should be wearing red and utility yellow, and you wear the Philippine flag. You can't capture this with cameras. You cannot capture the valley. Like the depth and the size. Yeah.
Don't jiggle it.
I don't wanna. Can I start? Are you recording?
Yeah. Wa man rin tugnaw ka adyo ta. Ang nagkano man po ko. Wala wa ko tugnaw ka adyo. Awa ganing ko dito now oh. Oh.
What are they doing?
Oh. Tamutan atas ubos. Boto mo ubos?
Are we gonna go or what? Can I wear the GoPro? I wanna wear the GoPro.
Go to daddy.
Do I end it?
Yeah, end it. Mag-sweater ko kay mabudyagan dyan kong mama.
Yes.
Wato mo ma?
Otro ka, ayaw lang.
Saka mo?
Otro ba? Ayaw lang bisita dire kanila bitso. Ako ba nang
I have to walk like a video game. Look, to show my hands.
Ang video ba na po ton?
Mire gikuan.
Oh,
Sige na.
di video balik.
Ay na. Paano mo?
Let's go up.
Where's that?
This is famous called Iao needle. They call it needle.
That's a needle.
Supposedly there's the figure of John F. Kennedy there somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, there's like a thing you're supposed to look. So they go on this side. Don't go near the road. I forget how you see it. I don't know. I never could see it. It's probably like John F. Kennedy.
Okay.
But there's like a thing you look for. I don't know where it is. No, that's all natural. It's all old, worn out volcano. Imagine thousands or millions of years from now, Haleakala will look like this. This is older. Here, come, look closer. It's the Iao River. Go over there. But we can look down in here as we go. They had to rebuild on it. This whole thing. Yeah, so this river, we had a huge storm. Had like hundreds of inches of rainfall in like a matter of an hour. It destroyed this entire valley, and this was all ruined. They had to rebuild this to save it. Yes. And they're hoping that it will accommodate the rain, because when it floods, it comes here. Oh my. Because it's coming down. So this river, the biggest battle of the war in Hawaii amongst the Hawaiian people and King Kamehameha was unifying the island. This battle here against
There's a little pool. Daddy, look, there's a little
I'm
pool.
telling the story, yeah. There was a battle in the little pool. Then they said that there was
Don't ruin the video.
water
Turn on.
red.
Yeah. No!
So many warriors. And I guess the Kamehameha surrounded them and trapped them. And
Look at. Look, that eye, look.
Oh.
So,
Uy, namin nang laba sila sa pa. Nang laba, bura, subang dako. Aw, sa tubig dako.
like a regular river, full, bank to bank. The reason it's low like this is because they cut the water off for supply water for the people.
No.
On the inside looking out for your skateboard.
First I'm gonna outrun you. Wait, give me 1 sec. Iao Valley. Iao Valley. Look, there's a little pond. Whoa! Wow! Why? I'm not allowed? I'm not allowed?
Yeah.
Why?
Dangerous.
Then why when I grow up I'm gonna do that?
Yeah.
You don't need.
Don't go there.
I don't care.
Madala dade.
Why? What's up with that? Why can't I? Never mind.
You fall down.
Never mind. I can't get the camera a good view then.
What? You can't go over the railing. You gotta stay inside the railing, okay?
Then I can't get a good view. I'll just get the fences.
Naanad mo na silang katagsaran.
Go with mommy, go with mommy. She wanted to get a good view. She's bummed. Go to mommy.
Come on. You wanna get down?
I told her it's
Yeah.
okay to go to the railing. She can't go in, like, beyond it, though. We're not trying to be those people, Billy.
Don't walk like that. It's annoying. Okay.
I can't walk fast.
You don't want to go up the slope?
I do. What slope?
Just because I stop doesn't mean you guys stop.
Hey. You want to go up there or not?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, look.
Okay. I'm showing the camera. I can't go beyond here.
Just tiptoe like this. There you go. It's captured now.
It's not captured.
Yeah, there. There. Perfect.
Wait, I need to.
Wow. That's perfect.
I'm not happy that I can't go out. Just put my waist out there. I'm like treated like a little baby.
It's cold now. It's cold for mommy
I feel
now.
like now that none of you guys is here, I feel like I'm treated like a little baby.
Now don't worry, I won't treat you like a baby. Don't worry about it. You want a picture? Ang buhok ko na naman. Smile lang. Smile lang. Yung musaka nga tapos ibabaw, musaka pa mo.
Labon dito sa kung ito kamang-kamang.
You're wasting it.
I don't care. You guys are just ruining the whole thing.
Why?
Because you're just wasting your time taking pictures.
Oh, you want to keep going up?
Yeah.
Then don't give me an attitude. You want me to slap you?
We can just go back down here and then you guys can take pictures.
Catch me. Can I take a picture of you here?
Okay, I'm going to turn this off.